Chris, thank you very much for inviting us to this huge event here in Mexico. Every time that we have the opportunity to talk with an important person from an important company, we want to discuss about the future. And I think that the future of digital transformation is more about artificial intelligence, collaboration, and above all that, customer experience. So I want to know your vision, Avaya vision about the future.
That's a very broad topic, but what I would say is everything should start from customer experience. Whether you're looking at digital transformation, implementing artificial intelligence, becoming a multi-channel contact center, it really has to start with the experiences that you want to create. Because if we look at history, many of our contact centers have implemented IVRs for containment, cheaper methodologies for interacting with the consumer. And we've all been frustrated. We're hitting 0 or 1 or trying to get out of the IVR because the experience wasn't there. And with the population change that we see in the world today, the millennials are more impatient, more willing to change brands, more willing to go and complain on social media about a bad interaction. So if you start from customer experience, then driving your AI strategy becomes very easy. Then driving your transformation experience becomes very easy because you understand the experience that you're trying to create. And so that would be what I would say from an overall vision in the way that I approach both software development and how we deliver our solutions to market is driving with the customer first and then technology second.
Every company put people and customers in the top of the pyramid.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so. It's changing. I think the notion of customer experience is becoming front and center for many enterprises.
Okay, and in the last years, months, Avaya is more focused on cloud, public cloud. So there is the future of enterprise is on hybrid, multi-cloud platforms. Not either cloud, but on-premise, cloud, public, private. So what is your opinion about this cloud concept?
I think there's a lot of noise around cloud, and cloud means something different to most everyone. When I think about cloud, it says I'm putting a compute resource that's not in my own data center. That's really what it means to me. And so many of our customers are multinational institutions, and a lot of them have data sovereignty issues. If we look at Mexico in specific, there are very specific data sovereignty issues here around customer and user data. So a public cloud solution is a challenge for some of the larger enterprises here as a result of that. Now, other countries around the region, Buenos Aires, Argentina, Peru, don't have those same specific requirements yet. Because I think with data privacy in general, we're going to see a change in the way that has to be handled. And as a result of that, we have taken an approach to delivering a private cloud solution for our UC and our CC businesses in parallel with what we do in public cloud. And I say that because in the larger enterprises, that's where private cloud makes more sense. You've got unique requirements, you want to have seamless migration, you've got a big user base to move. That's kind of hard to pick up and move overnight to a public cloud. So we have a transition plan with those accounts where we talk about hybrid, where you may have some of your kit on premise and some of your kit in the cloud. When you look at the mid-market, small, medium enterprise, they're easier to move. Maybe you're only looking at 200 stations or 300 agents. That's much more, and often they are not multinational, therefore they don't have the same data privacy concerns, or in this case data sovereignty concerns. So they're much more attuned to a public cloud. And you've seen the announcements this week. We talked about Powered By, which is our partner-led UCaaS offer, specifically targeting those types of small, medium businesses that need to have a cloud solution. Public makes the most sense for them. It all boils down to what's the cost involved in delivering it, public or private. It really, at the end of the day, as long as I can meet your data privacy needs and I can meet your cost targets, the compute location is really independent of those decisions.
Okay, so and you are talking a lot about small and medium business companies. So you are giving them special proposals, supporting them with your solutions?
If you look at our business across Latin America, roughly 80% of our business goes out through our partner community. Those partners are talking to small, medium businesses across Latin America every day. And so I do feel very strongly that I want to support that part of the business segment, which is unique in Latin America, where we have a lot more small, medium businesses and their requirements. So absolutely, we have offers that we can develop and deliver specifically for the SMB and tailor them all the way up to the enterprise. From a technology perspective, I'm taking enterprise features though, and I'm bringing them down to the small, medium business. Whereas most of the pure cloud players out in the market today, like a RingCentral, 8x8, Five9s, they're trying to grow up. It's really hard to grow up, but it's really easy to grow down.
Okay, thank you very much for this time
Thank
with
you.
us. It's very important to have this vision of the important, companies and persons for the channel and Latin American channels, and to figure out where to go.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Anytime.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.